Welcome back to DD Tech. In today's video, we're bringing you a compilation of the most dangerous roads and deadliest curves from around the world. From steep mountain passes to muddy collapsing trails, these are the places where even the smallest mistake could lead to disaster. Stay tuned to witness just how extreme and risky these routes truly are. A rice harvester accidentally fell into a deep ravine while passing through a dangerous area. The unexpected drop was so steep that the machine flipped and became badly deformed, with its frame twisted and heavily damaged. Due to the rough terrain, the recovery was extremely challenging and required a heavy-duty crane to pull the vehicle back up. The entire process took a considerable amount of time and effort to complete. A semi-truck was towing a trailer carrying two massive dump trucks loaded with soil as it made its way along a dangerous mountain pass. The narrow winding road forced the driver to slow down significantly, especially at the sharp turns. Navigating each curve required pinpoint precision. The driver had to judge every inch to safely maneuver through. One wrong move could have led to a serious accident.
Lên nào. Chưa lên được rồi các bạn ơi. Ở đỏ đầu tiên này có lẽ hai bác tài phối hợp với nhau chưa được ăn ý. Mình thấy các bác tài đang bàn bạc thảo luận với nhau. Chắc có lẽ sẽ là một pha đề ba trực tiếp lên luôn, thay vì sẽ phải lùi lại. Bác phụ xe đang bê gỗ chèn lốp. Vượt qua được rồi. Rất nhẹ nhàng và đơn giản ở đoạn này. Đây là một trong những con dốc 8%. Con dốc này có chiều dài khoảng 250 m. Mặt đường thì tương đối rộng. Cua thì cũng không có gấp. Có lẽ là hai chiếc xe này sẽ kéo nhau lên đến đỉnh đèo thôi.
A cargo truck unfortunately lost its brakes while driving and veered off onto the roadside where it became stuck and couldn't get back up. Due to the steep and slippery slope, the driver had no way to move the truck on his own. He asked nearby locals for help and they called in a rescue vehicle. After some time and effort, the tow truck finally managed to pull the cargo truck back onto the road safely. A severely rough road in Nepal has made travel extremely difficult. The path is mostly made of dirt and deep mud, especially slippery and unstable after heavy rains. Vehicles trying to pass through often struggle, and some get completely stuck, unable to move forward. In many cases, help is needed from stronger vehicles or tow trucks to pull them through this dangerous and challenging stretch of road.
Belakang Soren ada Puso Factor ya bosku.
If you enjoyed the video, press 1, and don't forget to subscribe to support the channel. Your support means a lot and keeps us motivated to bring you more exciting content.
Nyepak dia. Oke, lurus. Giliran si oren lagi ya.
Due to prolonged heavy rains, a section of the road became severely flooded, forcing vehicles to pass through deep water, a highly dangerous situation. In some spots, the water level rose higher than the wheels, posing serious risks like engine failure, or even being swept away, especially for low-clearance vehicles.
Jadi ini adalah banjir yang sangat dalam. Banyak sepeda motor yang tidak dapat menerobos banjir. Tapi kalau truk-truk yang besar seperti ini, ada coal diesel, truk hino, seperti inilah guys. Jadi truk ini lebih tangguh ya guys ya. Padahal di ujung sana ada airnya dalam ya guys. Bisa kita lihat motor KLX lewat ya guys ya. Ini kalian bisa lihat ada mobil kecil ya guys ya. Dia mencoba menerobos banjir ya guys. Karena kalau ditunggu tidak mungkin juga ya guys ya. Di sini kalian bisa lihat ada mobil truk, kemungkinan ngangkut sawit. Dia menerobos banjir ya guys. Jadi diusahakan pas lagi menerobos itu tidak ada ke ujung sana ya guys. Itu ada anak-anak yang lagi berenang ya guys ya. Ini adalah mobil selanjutnya guys ya, ingin menerobos banjir ya guys ya. Kita lihat apakah bisa dia menerobos dengan air yang lumayan dalam ya guys ya. Kalian bisa lihat udah separuh mobilnya guys ya, menerobos banjir itu guys. Bisa kalian lihat. Udah tertutup lampu belakangnya guys.
A rough and dangerous curve on the mountain pass caused a cargo truck to malfunction, making it unable to move forward smoothly. The steep terrain and poor road conditions made the situation even more challenging. It took a significant amount of time along with careful maneuvering and support for the truck to finally make it through this treacherous death bend safely.
The driver got down and seeing how to turn at this hairpin curve. He himself is putting the stones under the tires.
టైర్స్ కింద రాళ్ళు పెట్టుకోవడం జరుగుతుందండి. రాయి అయితే కరెక్ట్గా టైర్ స్ట్రైట్గా ఫిట్ చేసుకున్నారండి. ఇప్పుడు ఆ రాయి అనేది కరెక్ట్గా టైర్ కింద కాసింది. ఏమి తెలియదు అట్లా సాంగ్ మీకు. మీ ఐడియాకి హ్యాట్స్ ఆఫ్.